Click subscribe for update video every day.
The 2-in-1 is an idea with great promise, but it also faces many problems. How, exactly, does a company engineer a device that's great as both a tablet and a laptop? How big should it be? How much hardware should it pack? What should it cost? Many of the best systems in this category address the above questions with answers that are rooted in compromise. They stuff modest processors in mid-size 11 to 13-inch packages, and aim for prices between $400 and $800. XA0 is a great example of how balance can result in a quality 2-in-1 notebook. But there are other ways to approach the problem, and Toshiba's Satellite Radius P55W B5224 offers an extreme alternative. The result is a massive 15.6-inch convertible with a powerful Core i7 processor, 8 GB of RAM, and a keyboard so spacious that it has room for a numpad. While this sounds appealing, refusing to compromise creates a whole new set of problems. There's nothing about the Satellite Radius P55W that reveals its true nature at first glance. From every angle, it looks like just another Ultrabook. Most users would never guess that the system can transform into a tablet if it weren't for an instructional sticker located just below the keyboard. This subtle approach is appreciated, and makes sense in a 15.6-inch convertible, while it's capable of tablet use. Buyers shopping for such a large 2-in-1 likely consider notebook features a priority. An average user could spend years with the P55W without folding it into a tablet and never feel like he's missing out. Unfortunately, folding the 360-degree hinge reveals a few problems. The most obvious is the sheer size of the device. Holding a hefty 15.6-inch display aloft while visiting websites or watching videos is far from an ideal experience. Some of the other modes like presentation, which effectively turns the keyboard into a stand for the display, make more sense. However, the Radius never lets you forget that it's a big, heavy notebook. The display's image quality is solid overall, but users must put up with slim viewing angles. Ergonomic issues are present as well. The power button is too easy to accidentally trigger when in tablet mode. The keyboard is uncovered, but disabled, when the system is folded over, and the vents blow hot air over the user's hands when the tablet is used in portrait mode. Connectivity options are